Hi, good morning. Another day, another surgery. So our cases for today, actually we have two patients. Yung isa, multiple procedures. Then yung isa, one procedure lang. Pareho silang galing sa States, no? From Virginia. So the first patient, we're going to do rhinoplasty, Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. Then chin augmentation, then lip reduction or reshaping ng lip. No? So yun yung ating first patient. Yung ano niya is medyo mababa yung dorsum, so we have to put some Gore-Tex in chin. Medyo protruded kasi yung kanyang yung ganito yung bone dito, no? Actually, parang medyo habaan siya. Parang kasama ko siya sa federasyon. No? Kasama ko niya si Big Soto at saka si Biko. No? Mga habaan. Pero yung kanya kasi, naka-recede yung chin niya, pero protruded yung kanyang parang yung bone dito sa taas, no? Above the mandible. Yung, most probably, yung kanyang ngipin ang problem. So, sabi ko sa kanya, magpa-braces para medyo ma-push to patalikod. Then, but still short pa rin yung kanyang mandible. We have to put something. Kasi yung kanyang, sinabi ko, di ba, yung mentolabial angle. This one, yung angle here. Dapat yan malalim. So, yun po yung gagawin natin sa first patient. Then, yung next patient is lower bleph o eye bag removal. Ang ating gagawin. Actually, mag-ina yan yung gagawin natin from the States. So, eye bags, madali lang po yan. No? Marami lang. Tanggalin lang natin yung fats. Then we lift. Nililift palagi yon. Inaangat yung balat para may konting parang lifting effect dito sa nasofrontal angle. The nasolabial area. So, ililift na ganon. No? May konti. So, those are our cases for today. Mamaya papakita po natin yan. Another day, another surgery. Another day, another watch, aqua timer. See you. Hi, we're done with our surgery. Gore-Tex rhinoplasty, chin augmentation, and lip reshaping. No? So here, we place the Gore-Tex, very nice dorsum, and the V-tip. Ayan na po, ang Vasquez tip. Napakaganda po ng kanyang tip ngayon. This one is only swelling lang po ito, no? Namamaga lang. Yan yung kanyang chin. Meron na po siyang mentolabial angle, as I'm always saying. No? Meron na po siyang ganyan. And lip reshaping. Niliitan natin yung kanyang lips. So, I'm with Dr. Seth Villamor from Cebu City. No, taga Cebu po ang ating training fellow of the Philippine Academy of Aesthetic Surgery. So, yan po ang ating first case. Yung susunod po natin is lower blepharoplasty, no? Tatanggalin natin yung eye bags. Okay? Hi, I'm done with lower blepharoplasty or eye bag removal, no? So, you can see flat na po, no? Then may konting lifting sa nasolabial, no? May lifting ng konti yan. So, yan po. Wala na po siyang mga eye bags, no? So, that's it. Our fourth case. No? Another day, another surgery.